Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready for the editorial dictation. Punjab-Haryana border sealed at Shambhu in Ambala in view of farmers' Delhi Chalo march amid measures by the Haryana authorities to prevent the farmers from heading towards the national capital. The centre has invited them to hold another meeting to discuss their demands on February 12 ahead of the farmers' proposed Delhi Chalo march on February 13. Haryana authorities have sealed the border with Punjab at Shambhu near Ambala. Elaborate arrangements are in place at the borders in Jind and Fatehabad districts to stop the march. Apprehending the disturbance of peace, the Haryana government has also suspended mobile internet services and bulk SMS in 7 districts: Ambala, Kurukshetra, Kaithal, Jind, Hisar, Fatehabad and Sirsa from February 11 to 13 amid measures by the Haryana authorities to prevent the farmers from heading towards the national capital. The centre has invited them to hold another meeting to discuss their demands on February 12. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha non-political and the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha had announced the Delhi Chalo march by more than 200 farmers' unions on February 13 to press the centre into accepting several demands, including the enactment of a law to guarantee a minimum support price MSP for crops. The road on the Ghaggar flyover at the Shambhu border is shut for traffic movement, with police placing cemented barricades on the road. Barbed wire, sandbags, concrete blocks, barricades and other items have been stocked at the Shambhu border. View cutters and farmers were also being put up at the flyover. The Ghaggar River bed has also been dug up to prevent farmers from reaching the highway. In Jind, two roads near the Haryana-Punjab border have been shut for vehicular movement, and restrictions imposed on two more roads, a police official said on Sunday. In Fatehabad district, police have also put up cemented barricades and spike strips on a Jhakhal road to stop protesters from Punjab from moving towards Delhi. The Haryana police on Saturday issued a traffic advisory asking commuters to take alternative routes. In the traffic advisory, police asked commuters going from Chandigarh to Delhi to take alternative routes via Derabasi, Barwala, Ramgarh, Shahabad, Kurukshetra or through Panchkula, NH 344, Yamuna Nagar, Indri, Pipli, Karnal. Similarly, passengers travelling from Delhi to Chandigarh have been asked to reach their destination via Karnal, Indri, Pipli, Yamunanagar, Panchkula or Kurukshetra, Shahabad, Saha, Barwala, Ramgarh, according to police. The farmers have planned to head to Delhi from the Ambala-Shambhu border, Kanori Jind and the Dabwali border. Ambala and Kaithal districts have imposed Section 144 of the CRPC, prohibiting the assembly of 5 or more people. Police have also been holding meetings with sarpanches of villages and khap panchayats, asking them not to participate in the march. SKM non-political leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal slammed the Haryana government for making arrangements to stop farmers from going towards Delhi. We are ready for talks and will never run away from dialogue. On one side, talks are going on with the center, and on the other hand, the state government is creating terror. What the Khattar government is doing is unfortunate and condemnable. He said the government had promised a legal guarantee on minimum support price during the steer against the now repealed farm laws.